Did you know that one simple change to your spring planting routine could double your seedling success rate? Stick around because I'm about to share 3 game-changing garden discoveries. Hey there, Green Thumbs. Welcome back to the Garden Minute. I'm your host, bringing you the week's best gardening news in just 1 minute. Today, we're diving into spring planting secrets, eco-friendly garden hacks, and some exciting food garden trends that'll transform your growing game. First up, Fine Gardening just revealed the spring planting technique that professional growers swear by. Instead of planting seeds at the exact depth listed on packets, successful gardeners are using the knuckle rule, planting seeds at a depth equal to twice their diameter, then covering with loose, sifted compost instead of regular soil.
Why does this matter? Your seedlings get better drainage, easier emergence, and stronger root development right from the start. Here's your actionable tip. This weekend, grab a fine mesh strainer and sift some compost. Use this seed blanket for all your spring sowings. Your germination rates will thank you, and you'll see stronger, more resilient seedlings in just 7 to 10 days.
Next, Tree Hugger drops some incredible eco-friendly gardening wisdom that'll save you money and help the planet. They're highlighting how coffee grounds mixed with crushed eggshells create the perfect slow-release fertilizer for acid-loving plants like tomatoes, blueberries, and roses. But here's the kicker. This combo also naturally deters slugs and provides calcium to prevent blossom end rot. For home gardeners, this means you can ditch expensive fertilizers while reducing kitchen waste. Your action step: start saving coffee grounds and eggshells now. Mix them 3-to-1, coffee to shells, let it age for 2 weeks, then sprinkle around your plants. Your garden gets premium nutrition and you're keeping waste out of landfills.
Finally, Bright News is reporting on the hottest food garden trend of 2024: microgreen walls and vertical herb spirals. Home gardeners are discovering they can grow $200 worth of fresh herbs and greens in just 4 square feet of space. These vertical systems produce harvest-ready greens in 14 days and keep producing for months.
This matters because you're getting restaurant-quality ingredients year-round, even in tiny spaces or apartments. Ready to try it? Start simple. Grab a hanging shoe organizer, fill the pockets with potting mix, and plant different lettuce varieties in each pocket. Hang it in a sunny spot, water gently every other day, and you'll be harvesting gourmet salads in 2 weeks.
So there you have it. Sifted compost for stronger seedlings, coffee eggshell fertilizer for healthier plants, and vertical growing for maximum harvests in minimum space. 3 simple changes that'll level up your garden game this season.
Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more garden wisdom every week.
This coffee hack will revolutionize your garden.
Stop throwing away coffee grounds and eggshells. Garden pros are mixing them 3-to-1 to create the ultimate free fertilizer. Coffee grounds provide nitrogen and acidity that tomatoes and roses crave, while crushed eggshells add calcium to prevent blossom end rot. But here's the secret. This mixture naturally repels slugs too.
Save your morning coffee grounds and breakfast eggshells. Mix 3 parts coffee to 1 part crushed shells. Age it for 2 weeks, then sprinkle around your plants. You'll get healthier plants, better harvests, and 0 waste, all while saving money on expensive fertilizers.
Try this and tell me your results. Follow for more free garden hacks that actually work.